Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to deposit check online in our BC. Okay, really easy and simple. Open up the RBC mobile app. Make sure you're logged in. Come here at the bottom right, click on more money. Now here, click on deposit a check. Right, you just want to go ahead and click on continue here when they show you the terms of use. Click there. Now, you want to go ahead and take a picture of the front of the check first. So go ahead and take this picture. They'll give you these tips. You can go ahead and read this if you want. Make sure you do this, like hold it steady, right? Make sure you do it on a well-lit area. Place the check on a dark surface, and then just click on continue right here once you've read the tips. Take the photo, all right, and then click on use photo. There we go. Now do the same thing for the back of the check. Take that photo and click on use photo. Now here you want to enter the amount that's displayed on the check, right? Just type in the amount. If it's $5, fine, click on done. Now, deposit into. Come here, select this, and choose which account you want to deposit it into. For example, let's do this checking account. Then we're going to just click on continue. And just click on a deposit now after you reviewed everything, right? And there you go. You will see this receipt, right? You can take a screenshot as well of this and save it. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.